Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to upgrade the 2023 and Ford Super Duty truck side vents using our custom LED side vent kit. This kit consists of COB LED technology. It's custom spacing for your 23 Super Duty truck. Comes in a variety of colors, looks fantastic. It's easy to install, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. Sincerely, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We really appreciate it, and we don't want you to miss out on any of the great content for your Ford truck. All right, let's get back to the video. The first thing that we need to do is remove this plastic vent panel from the truck itself so that we can mount our lights. We're going to be utilizing some of the pry tools from the F150 LEDs Easy Installation Toolkit, as well as some insulated flathead screwdrivers. There are 6 compression trim tabs that hold this panel into place. So we're going to have to work under this plastic vent to remove each of those trim clips, and then this panel will pop away from the truck and allow us to install the light itself. We're going to start here at the top. The flathead screwdriver is good to apply pressure onto the metal clips. That helps the trim tabs release from the truck. Now let's make sure that our mounting location here is very clean. So we're going to push in here and move this foam pad out of the way. We're going to take our cleaning wipe. I'm just going to clean this surface really well. This is going to help our lights have the strongest adhesion possible to the truck itself. We'll let that dry just a little bit, and then we'll mount our lights. Now we'll be able to apply the lights directly to the inner frame here of the truck. So let's open up our vent light kit. Take one of your light strips here, your COB strips. I'm going to unwind this thermal braided harness. And then you're going to notice that we've got our auto grade adhesive here on the backing, these red strips. We're going to carefully remove that red covering. You don't want to remove the gel adhesive that we have on these, just that red tape. Now I'm going to feed the light into the opening here so that our harness wire here is at the top. Just like so. And then we can start mounting the lights, and I'm going to start here at the top. You want to line up the light with the metal part here. So, and then here when there's openings, you're going to want to push that opening back, like so. That way when the clip goes in, it won't hit that wire. So you just push in a little bit there. Now that we have our COB LED lights installed here, we'll be able to run our harness into the engine bay and connect for power. So you can reach your hand into this vent location and then just pull the wire through. Now we can use this black and red end of our wire to connect to power and ground. We're going to be utilizing our easy T-tap connectors to connect our new lights to the harness of the truck. This makes it extremely easy. So to do this, first we're going to route our red wire here into this single channel on the back side, and then we're going to use some pliers or crimping tool, and you can just push down and hear it click into place, so that wire is connected. And then we'll do the same thing for our black wire here. Make sure it goes all the way in, and that when you're pushing pressure down, you hear that click, so you know it's sealed. And that will allow us to use these 2 open channels here to connect directly to the truck's harness. And we're going to be utilizing the side marker light from this vehicle. It's extremely hard to show on camera, but we'll put a picture up there. But you can reach in here, and with a counterclockwise turn, you'll be able to loosen the side marker light connector and then pull directly back. And as you can see here, I'll try to move my hand out of the way. This is our side marker light connector. Now, if you got LED headlights, you'll have different wires to connect to, so just check the instructions for that. But in this case, we're going to be utilizing these two wires. I'm going to do my best to show this on camera, but the two wires here that go to this side marker light connector are what we're going to connect this red and black wire to. Okay, one of the wires has a dark black coloring to it, so we're going to use that for our black wire, and then we'll use the other wire for our red light. Okay, so we'll just reach in here. Again, I'll do my best so that you can see it on camera. There's plenty of room to do it, but not a whole lot of room to show it. So you just wrap that T-connector right over the wire like so. Kind of push down with your hands, and then we'll come back with our crimp tool or your pliers. I'll take the red wire. We'll do the same thing for the opposite wire. Now this part's gonna be hard to show on camera. Let's see if I can wiggle this clip here. There you go, you'll feel it. If you don't hear that clip on the video, you'll feel it when you're crimping it. There we go. There. Okay, and now we can reinstall this side marker light bulb, and we can repeat the process for the passenger side of the truck, and then we can even utilize this red and black wire for the power and ground of our passenger side. Now we can go ahead and pull our foam cover back in place and pop our vent cover back on. So that's all there is to installing the Mark II LED vent light kit here on your 23 and up Ford Super Duty truck. They really look fantastic, especially in person. We guarantee you're gonna love them. They come in a variety of colors, and you can check them out right now at f150leds.com, where you'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford Super Duty truck. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.